can get a lot clearer picture there. There's the baby. Let me try to angle it up so we can see. There we go.
There's a flicker.
Lizzie.
It looks like its arms are like this.
Lizzie, look at the heart. You
Where
see
is
the
it?
heart? You see the little flicker right there?
Yeah.
I'm zooming out just so I can see if there's
Okay.
any
Do you see any?
twin or multiple pregnancy babies. Okay. Top to bottom, I only see one. I'm going to go right to left now. Okay, I'm only seeing one. I'm going to scan around the edges real quick just to see.
Because I saw that like a black mass that looked like that was a subchronical hemorrhaging. I don't know if you see that.
That, yeah, up there, that little crescent-shaped moon.
Is that
right
it?
up at the edge. Let me see. Might be what they're talking about.
Is it true that once you see a heart rate, that the chances go down of anything? I mean, anything can happen, obviously, right, during miscarriage, but once you see a heartbeat, is it the chances always get lower and lower as you go on, right?
Yeah, well, anytime you see, the baby moving around and, looking very much alive, that's good.
The baby's not moving yet, right? It's too early for the baby to move?
Oh, the baby will move. I mean, he or she could be napping right now. But that heart...
Look at the heart,
yeah.
Lizzie. Are you able, do you guys have the Doppler on there to hear it?
Yeah, we do, and I will let you hear that.
Oh. Are you recording it?
Yes, I'm recording. 2 minutes in.
Awesome.
It's going to be a long, another 10-minute video.
Uh-huh. Oh, like the little heart.
Is that the heart that's like next to it?
No, that's
No.
the sac.
Yeah, that's the yolk sac, that little bubble off to that side
And
over
that's
there.
what's going to be like, the placenta is going to take over the yolk sac, right? Or no?
Correct, yeah, the yolk sac
You
feeds the
can see
baby.
the baby that is trying to like...
Is it too, when will that start?
This thingy.
Well, the placenta is in the process of developing. It's too small to see right now, but
Okay.
it is.
The baby
It
looks
is in
like this
development.
The baby.
thingy. It looks
Little
like
heart.
this. The diagram right here. First. So cute. It looks like it's sucking its thumb.
So tiny.
Crystal. It looks like it's sucking its thumb.
No,
It's sucking its thumb.
Aw.
Picture there.
It's a little hard.
I see it. Is it that little thing inside it that's flickering?
Yeah.
Mhm. Yes, that is the heart that's flickering.
Are we gonna hear it?
Mm-hmm.
What's it? Have you measured it yet or
No,
not?
not
Okay.
yet.
It looks like it's gotten bigger, hasn't it?
It looks like
They
this.
grow very quickly at this stage.
Crystal, it looks like this.
These little models over here,
Yeah.
those are 7, 8, 9, and 10 weeks.
So
Those are actual size models, so you can see how fast they grow from week to week.
it looks like the 7 weeks one.
Is the sac supposed to look like that? Like oval? Does it vary?
It does vary. I mean, these are actually, this is actually the actual shapes of the baby themselves.
The sack looks like it's like squishing the baby, like it doesn't have room.
Can you see its face?
No.
No, I mean it's there, but we don't have enough resolution to make it clear. Let me put the
Listen,
Doppler on
listen.
that heart.
Wow.
It's fast.
Fighting.
You okay?
You could be very emotional to hear that heartbeat the first time. 166 beats per minute.
Awesome.
Get out of Zoom.
How much weeks did it measure at?
8, and just a second, I'll pull up the
Okay.
report. See that little black line that's kind of along the outside edge up there? That's
Right.
what I'm thinking there.
They're looking
They're
at,
looking
but that's
at
very
the-
small. Normally that corrects itself, right?
Yeah, and it just welds itself to the edge.
And how does that happen? Is it just
You know, with your history, it might be a hormonal thing with
Mhm.
your, your ability to produce the
Crystal
hormone.
looks like this thing.
not that small?
Let me take an extra picture for our doctor that studies our,
Awesome.
so
Okay.
she can see that, and then, I'm glad you know to go to the ER if any.
Oh
if you
yeah,
have any more
definitely. Oh
bleeding or
yeah. I mean,
anything.
even though that we went there twice already, we could feel kind of dumb. But you know, any
Hey.
bleeding.
Yeah, I mean, you're high risk, so
Yeah.
that's just a matter of fact. So. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of these ovaries real quick while we're here.
You keep going or you stop?
You can stop now. She's just gonna go over.